the impact of the bubble was all over the industry for the case of Japan. But for the case of China, this is very much focusing and concentrated in the real estate.
Thank you. First, thank you very much for inviting me. Well, these kind of events really gives us the a lot of engagement with the market players. Also, ADB, who leads the regional bond market development, we always emphasize this sort of in-person engagement. So hopefully we can learn more in the future events. Also, we try to disseminate what ADB does to support local currency bond market development, particularly in the context of sustainable finance. So we are very much looking forward to have this kind of opportunity further in the future.
At the end of the day, the LGFV is too heavily leveraged, and they do not have a viable business model to generate sufficient cash flow to repay their debt, rely upon the regional local government.
When we are communicating with the public developers, if the credit events already happens, we do not have much more information than the markets.
It's a very good event because we talk about from the macro view, macroeconomics, and also to a very micro view. And I think a green finance project will be wonderful because it's touched on different angles about green finance. It's a wonderful event.
A lot we are looking away from China as well. Indian renewable would be one that it's more defensive. In this market, we're looking more defensive names.
So that a lot of the projects that are happening on the mainland can be brought to Hong Kong and using Hong Kong as a platform to raise awareness and also liquidity.
I have to say in Asia, still many markets doesn't have this very effective channel for us to understand this. I think that's also some investment risk coming over from our observation.
Yeah, I think it's a very engaging event, and I have found a lot of speakers are very intelligent and also insightful. So very happy to join this from the media and also the Asia Development Bank.
If you look at sort of global flows to climate finance, majority of it is in mitigation today. The challenge with adaptation is partly in terms of definition.
So first of all, thanks DSF for inviting me today. I'm very glad to attend the summit today. And as an investor specializing in Asian bonds, I find the event very insightful today, especially the second panel, because it's really related to what we're doing now, because we just launched our first Asian bond impact fund in Hong Kong. And particularly, we found that the topics around greenwashing, around taxonomy, and around impact investing really helpful and really insightful. So again, I'm very glad to join today's event, and I hope to join more future events by the assets. Thank you.
The transition part actually become very important, in this green finance. So we can see a series of the companies, including even the traditional energy companies. So they are on the road to become cleaner.